Hello, everybody. Hello, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. I just want to let you know there was a big bird on my car here the other day. I was talking to it, but what would that bird say back to me? We find out. I made a little joke out of it when I'm making this video. I was thinking, what weird kind of bird is this? But anyway, make a long story short, I filmed this bird. It was on my car. But I will let you see if you like it or not. If you do, push like and leave a comment down, and please share this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It don't cost you nothing. And don't forget to push that bell, and all notifications. Put that on. Then you know when I get the next video out. Okay? And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. No doubt it helped me out and help you out to get more stuff here on YouTube. No doubt. But anyway, I'm going to let you find out what the video's all about, and we'll see how that goes. Okay? Talk at y'all later. Bye.
This is their election. This is their floor county. This is telling us everything remains kind of low traffic.
What kind of bird is that?
That's fine, no. So there's what we used to have. That was the mackerel snapping cat. So that's what we have. That was off the cat. On this level here, with all the necklaces.
He's on my call.
This is really interesting. It's usually room up there, it's sandblasting up there and right now. This is what's bad about that.
Hello, birdie. What's your name?
You wanna know my name?
And that's what this here. The guys in yellow are all the volunteers. The ones in blue are all the work. Guys get paid.
Yeah, you're on my car. You know that, don't you?
So what?
I appreciate your time. For everyone watching this, if you're interested in visiting USF Lexington, we'll make sure to have links to the website in the description of this video. So you can click that and find all these things we talked about. Coming out here, fishing, hanging out,
Well, no, one thing, you ain't scared.
I'm not scared of you.
Yeah, that was the same bird that was on the railing there. Oop. Are you gonna leave? Huh? Is that what you're gonna do?
No, I'm not gonna leave. You're a fool.
If anybody knows, what kind of bird is that? Howdy, bird. What you up to?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Well, what you up to?
I'm ready to do some different things on your car.
Well, I'm gonna smoke a cigarette.
That's bad for you.
Did I scare you? I'm sorry. Oh, you're not gonna go nowhere, are you?
Nope.
It's okay.
I'm enjoying this.
I'm not gonna hurt you. What's your name? You're gonna be a
I'm not going to tell you.
movie star. You know that, don't you? Better comb your hair back.
No, I look better this way.
I think you see something.
Would you like to know?
I just wanted to make a little small video of this.
Okay, go right ahead.
He's been hanging around the house. I don't know what kind of bird he is, but he's been hanging around the house. He almost looks like a seagull, but I don't think it's a seagull. But he's giving out a show, though.
Almost lost my drip. Oh no. Gosh, I got to do my thing. Squat, squat, squat.
I think that's about as close I can get. Oop. Now he's on Joe's car.
I think I'm gonna go down this
If anybody knows what kind of bird that is.
window here. Maybe I could stand on it as I'm going down. Hopefully not. Let me think about it first. Think about it, think about it. I'm thinking about it. I think I'm going to do it right now. Yep. I think I'm going to do it. Yep. I think about it, think about it. I'm thinking about going down this windshield. Oh, yep.
If you step on that windshield, you're going to be sliding down.
I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. Here I go. Oh no!
Told you.
That wasn't good. Get back on Rick's car.
I'm going to name you Fred.
I'm going to name you
You look like
Dingbat.
Yep. I was still filming your car. Shoot, I was wondering where it went.
You will never know. I'm thinking about going down this windshield too. It's not so steep. Gotta get some water. I gotta get some water. Water's going down the windshield. I gotta get it. I'm gonna peck at your car. Watch this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Watch, watch. Oh, there it is. Oh.
Hey, don't do that to my car. Don't do that to my car.
I can do it if I want to your car. Yes. You want to see me do it again?
I'm talking to you. Hey. Stop that. You're gonna be mean, get off my car. Yeah, I'm talking to you.
I'm not gonna get off your car. Not yet. I got some other things I gotta do to it first.
Sorry about that.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, yeah. Wait for it. I feel it coming. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, boy. Wait for it. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. Watch. It's gonna
Pretty
come.
brave.
Wait for it. Wait for it. I
I'm
can
about
feel
like
it. I can
6
feel
foot
it.
away from you.
I can feel it. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
What?
Oh, yes. Oh, food.
Hey,
Yeah,
put shit on my
food.
car.
Oh, that can melt me. I better put it back in there. Watch. I'm going to put it back in. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. You want to see? I'm going to eat it. Watch. Make sure nobody's looking. Make sure nobody's looking.
Yeah, that's your shit you're looking
it.
at.
Watch. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Yum, 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 yum.
You're disgusting.
Tastes good the second time around. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yep, go ahead. Might go viral.
I don't know. There's two different tastes to it.
Disgusting bird.
But I love it.
Eating your own shit.
Yeah, I might just have me a little bit more.
Look at that.
Yep. Here we go. Well, I'm about ready to go now. I just talk to y'all later. Bye.
So how does
I
your own
see ya.
shit taste like? Bird. Huh?
I'm about ready to take off. Here I go. About ready to fly. Okay. About ready to fly. I'm about ready to go. You guys are boring.
Anything else you gonna be stupid doing? So,
Yeah,
this
boring.
go viral.
I think my wife's calling me.
Fred, I don't know about you.
I guess I'll talk to y'all later.
Eating your own shit.
Okay? Well, maybe I won't pay attention to her.
Thinking about getting some more of that shit.
I'm going to stay around here just a little bit longer. Guys, don't tell my wife that I ate some shit, okay? But it tastes real good. It really did. Bye.
Hello again. Hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Share this video. And then tell your friends about this, my videos or my channel. And don't forget to push that bell and push that like button and leave a comment down. I'll be glad to answer. No doubt about it. Y'all have a great day, and I talk to y'all later. Okay? Talk at you later. Bye.